How to use Walmart Cash. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use Walmart Cash, rewards, earn and redeem. Well, Walmart Cash is a rewards program where you earn money back on purchases redeemable for future Walmart shopping online or in-store by applying it at checkout via the app. Using how to earn Walmart Cash, you'll earn a percentage back on qualifying purchases made with your linked Walmart payment method like a Walmart Money Card or through specific app offers. You can also participate in the surveys and Walmart Customer Spark community by completing surveys, interviews, or submitting content for point or cash. Also look for targeted offers within the Walmart app for bonus cash back. To redeem it, you want to log into Walmart account either on the app. Then what you want to do is during the payment method. So once you have selected the item for checkout, at the checkout page, you can select apply Walmart cash balance to use it towards your purchase. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.